Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Zara, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, you guys can see me in the bakery. This is Highland Farm. I went there to get a cake for my son's birthday. He just turned 3, and yeah, you guys can see there is fruit cakes and vanilla, like all different flavors. But my son, he likes chocolate, so I was just looking to pick one for him. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope everybody is doing great. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I will be happy to have you. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get into this video.
Push.
It's still really fresh, so it needs to cool down. And yeah, let me taste. It tastes really good. It's really delicious. It just needs to be cooled down a little bit. It's too hot still. Hashr. Hi, Hashr.
I want presents.
Are you guys waiting for the cake? Yeah?
I want presents.
Who's waiting for the cake?
I want presents.
Okay. It's your birthday. Okay. So everybody's waiting for the cake to cut the cake. I'm just gonna bring the cake. Imanak is here as well. So yeah.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to Where should I go? I don't know where to stand. It's on the reach.
First birthday cake. So we're going to have this weekend. Okay, we're gonna. Okay, Hashr. Wait, blow your candle first. Blow your candle. Blow. Wait, Maka.
Blow your candle. That's it.
Good job.
Happy birthday.
Iman?
Birthday.
Now you get happy. Happy birthday. Inside. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Hashr Janama.
Just like your cake. What about it with this?
What?
Cut it with this, Mommy. So you can cut it. Look, it's coming out. I have a gift for him.
Happy birthday.